Last but not least was the last problem, and I think you had a homework problem very similar to this, and we did something very similar to this in class on the board as well. The first part, you just want to find the difference between the Richter scale values M2 and M1. So we can substitute in a value for M1 and M2. And so here's our M2 value, here's our M1, and now we can simplify this by recognizing that when you subtract the log of A minus the log of B, it would be the log of A divided by B. So here our A is W2 divided by W naught. Our B is W1 divided by W naught, so we can divide those. And if you recognize that when you divide by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal, these W naughts cancel out and we just get W2 over W1. And you can kind of see it here. The W naughts are both on the bottom, they cancel out. We get W2 over W1 on this for a simplified expression for the difference in the Richter scale values. And we can use that part in part B to figure out if you have 1,600 times more powerful earthquake, that would be the ratio of W2 to W1. And the first earthquake was 3.1. We can then figure out what the magnitude would be of the second earthquake. Remember, when you have the Richter scale, it is a log scale, so each value on the Richter scale represents an order of magnitude, or 10 times bigger. So when you see 3 times bigger, that would be 10 to the third power, or 1,000. And this is a little bigger than 3 because it's 1,600 and not 1,000. So this ends up being like 6.3 on the Richter scale for the second earthquake.